everybody, this is Kang and it's been a while since my last vlog. Time check, it is 2:15 in the morning of June 16. I haven't slept yet and I haven't packed my stuff yet. We'll be flying later to Bacolod. This is our first time to be there and I'm super excited to see you guys. But before everything else, we will be preparing our stuff and it's gonna be a lot. But I will bring you with me through this Canon Powershot V10. I'll be using this V10 for the entire trip to Bacolod, and Canon was kind enough to let us use this. I want to show you how it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Can you see? It's so messy in the background. I am so sorry. But anyway, I'll see you later. Medyo in a rush kami kasi late na. 3:40 yung boarding namin. Tapos ETA namin sa airport is 2. Pipila pa kami ng check-in pero nakapag-online check-in na naman ako. Tapos, yun lang. I can't with this. Bye. So, we just arrived here sa Terminal 4 with Kelly and nandun sa likod sila. It's feeling ko rin.
Please be advised that due to limited space inside the aircraft to accommodate carry-on bags.
So, we just arrived here sa Acacia. Dito kami magsistay for 4 days. So, this is all our stuff. This is the wigs I'll be using. And this is me with the Canon Powershot V10. Super small and handy. Tsaka na kami mag-settle down after eating. Cause I'm so hungry.
Okay na, una lang ka mo. Ang daso na maabot
Oh my God, sobrang sarap. Super sarap nito. Sobrang busog. Nakadalawang mountain trek. Walang worry, mami. Because busog na busog.
Done eating. At the hotel, it's time for us to get ready for tomorrow. So I'm making my own banners because I don't have for my merch. Wow! Ang bango! What is it?
butter cake.
Oh my God! Sarap!
So we're going out now. Somebody bought my merch already. I think Carlo is doing a talk on stage. I'll show you. That's Carlo. And we're going to our booth.
total score. Thank you very much. And yours. It looks like your
Hanggang dito, di ba? Kita tayong tatlo. May... Ang white pala niya. Ganda. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Ano po, ano? Oh my gosh. Sino ba ako? Picture ba ako? Hello po. Cute, cute. I can't believe you're real. Oh.
Ano ba yan?
Kasi ang hirap
Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone for spending the day with us. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Masarap tumira dito. Kung isipin niyo yung retirement plan. Day 2 of PGEX here at Bacolod, and sorry I wasn't able to end my vlog last night because unfortunately hindi na deadbat yung Powershot V10 ko. Ako yung na deadbat. So when we got here at the hotel, I eventually just slept. And yeah, I'm cosplaying as Dupet today. Yay! And this is... What's his name again? So, medyo nagpanic ako kasi when I started my vlog yesterday, full na yung memory ng memory card ko. I only brought 64 gig and I'm shooting at 4K with my V10 and na-full siya. So, medyo kinakabahan ako. Wala akong laptop na dala but I have my phone and na-transfer siya agad without any hassle. You just need to connect it with your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi para ma-transfer yung files. It doesn't have to be Wi-Fi, kahit data kasi when we're going to the venue, I've actually transferred it via my data and super fast, easy. So, I was able to record and shoot on the venue itself. Aside from that, nalobat siya during the event, mga hapon gabi na, and you can just charge it with your Type-C charger to your power bank. Sobrang dali lang pag medyo natataranta kayo, nagpapanik, and you're on a rush, just like me all the time. This is a really great companion if you want to vlog your entire trip and you don't want to bring any extra stuff with you. Lifesaver talaga. I'm with Sammy. Who are you cosplaying today?
Bigger na.
Oh, oo nga. Dapat pala nagnahida ako. Nagnahida ako.
Wait na. Okay.
Hello. That's so fun! Merong bigay sa akin na salon pass. Thank you! Thank you! Meron pa ako sa food.
Yun na. Ako na yun. Ako na yun.
Niluto mo yan?
Yes.
Luto mo dito yung kakain.
Oh, pachinta.
Ang galing mo naman! Wow! Thank you! Thank you! Ang sarap. Tapos namin, hindi na namin nauwi sa hotel.
Thank you.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! I'm with Ate Luian again. Let's go. So ngayon, puto naman. Let's try it. Thank you, Dad. So this is from Kakahap Ponesa.
Now I would like to remind everyone to please be mindful of their belongings.
Nasa na yung stress? Kulang to. Joke lang. Guys, si Mateo doon nandito. At may dala, may dala. 2018. Parang walang nagbago.
Hindi naman tayo magkikita eh. Last nakita natin.
Madaliin lang tayo. Ay, picture mo kami.
That's all, what?
Who's your favorite guest cosplayer again?
So the event is finally done. It's already egged and we're going back to the booth to pack up. Thank you so much guys for all the gifts. I really appreciate it. Good morning. It's our last day here in Bacolod and we'll see what are we gonna eat for lunch today. Anyway, I would like to thank everyone here in Bacolod for being so warm and kind. Hope to see you again soon. Also, I'm not sure how this vlog will look like, but I hope it turns out well. Yes, Kelly? We're here as the